As the world marches into the 21st century, India, at the forefront of the developing world, needs an increasing lot of intelligent, astute, hard-working and technically proficient minds. At GIBS, we take care to groom our students according to the needs of the industry. We seek to open frontiers of knowledge and reveal new horizons of change to broaden mindsets and to create positive attitudes in our students. It gives me immense pleasure to extend to you a most cordial invitation to participate in the campus recruitment program of the Geetarattan International Business School. Our team will partner with you to develop a recruiting strategy that minimizes your resources and maximizes your success. I forward herewith our corporate video providing a profile of the institute as well as detailing the various programs offered. It is my sincere belief that your esteemed organization and GIBS stand to gain immensely from this symbiotic relationship. Thank you.
A glorious past and an illustrious present. The seed that was sown for a strong foundation to provide quality education 29 years back has flourished to a tree, spreading its branches and stems of education far and wide. Rohini Educational Society was established in 1983. Through its concerted efforts, the society has created several institutions of international standard and repute that impart quality education right from the kindergarten stage to master level under the name Geetarattan. Geetarattan Jindal Public School, a co-ed senior secondary school that started in 1988. Geetarattan Jindal Kiddie Paradise, a day boarding school for the tiny tots, established in 1998. The Sovereign School started in 2008. And two higher educational institutions that are flagship brands of Rohini Educational Society. Geetarattan Institute of Advanced Studies and Training started in 1999. Geetarattan International Business School started in 2004. Geetarattan International Business School, that was established as a focus for management teaching, has also reached the pinnacle of glory today as one of the capital's leading graduate business schools. GIBS brings together people, cultures and ideas from around the corner to change lives and to transform organizations. It is a self-financing ISO 9001-2008 certified and NAAC accredited institution approved by AICTE and affiliated to GGSIPU Delhi. The institute is conducting professional courses, namely MBA first shift with intake of 180 seats, MBA second shift with intake of 120 seats, and MCA with intake of 60 seats. It has a cohesive team of experienced academicians who facilitate the learning process by augmenting the course structure through active academic industry interface. For the last 8 years, it has been glittering and progressing in leaps and bounds. Geetarattan International Business School is an ideal setting for learning, a diverse community knit together by its physical environment, as well as by its commitment to the highest standards of excellence, integrity, free expression, and inquiry. Its campus boasts of state-of-the-art infrastructure, facilities, and resources. Highlights include a well-stocked library with more than 20,000 books, reputed national and international journals and e-journals, with an array of networked study desks, PCs, copiers, and printers. In addition to the print collection, the library provides a gateway to a rich and powerful collection of electronic resources. Apart from being a member of Delnet, which is a major resource-sharing library network in South Asia. The library is also subscribed to JGate and EBSCO. A variety of rooms at the disposal of the on-site school community are IT labs, reading room, medical room, faculty rooms, recreation room, syndicate room, video conferencing room, centrally air-conditioned auditorium, cafeteria. A robust and secured wireless network with global access and strict security measures, including firewalls, anti-spam, and wireless protection. Over 270 nodes connected through star topology. In the past few years, our students have won laurels for us at both academic and extracurricular front. The outstanding academic performers are the achievers in the extracurricular fields are collaboration with corporates is integral to the success of GIBS. Their intellectual commitment enables the school to develop innovative, principled, and insightful leaders who change the world. The connection among company executives, faculty members, and students encourages knowledge exchange and supports management education. GIBS corporate interface includes a range of planned activities like guest lectures, case study development and discussions, seminars, workshops, conferences, knowledge networks, and video conferencing. GIBS students have had the privilege of hearing many eminent speakers from versatile areas of expertise. Dr. D.K. Bandyopadhyay, Vice Chancellor, GGSIP University. Dr. K.K. Agarwal, ex-Vice Chancellor, GGSIP University. Professor Devi Singh, Director, IIM Lucknow. Professor Dr. K.C. Sethi, former Professor, IIM Kolkata and Director, IMT Ghaziabad. Mr. S.P.S. Bakshi, Chairman cum Managing Director, Engineering Projects India Limited. Dr. Rita Sen Gupta, Director, National Institute for Entrepreneurship and Small Business Development, Noida. Dr. Y.V. Verma, COO, LG Electronics, India. Mr. P. Rajendran, COO, NIIT. Mr. Ashwini Kumar, IPS, Ex-Director, CBI. Mr. Ankit Fadia, internationally renowned cyber security expert. Mr. Arun Sehgal, Director, HR, GlaxoSmithKline. The mission of the Career Service team is to support students and alumni in creating a unique career vision and connecting these leaders with world-class opportunities. The entire gamut of academic activities is oriented to provide the best possible placement to the students in leading corporate houses. Over the years, the school has consistently maintained a 100% recruitment record, with students exceeding expectations of recruiters. Placement at GIBS have been a testament of the ever-increasing faith that the industry has on the institution. Some of the renowned organizations where our students have been placed are Rolls-Royce, Capital IQ, JK Technosoft, Capgemini, Axis Bank, NCR Corporation, Steria, NIIT Technologies, SafeNet, Genpact, Safe Express, Lilliput, SaveNet, Barclays Finance, Aptara, and Jindal Industries. With 1100 plus alumni in all over the country, GIBS Network offers a wealth of knowledge resources, and networking opportunities.
Today, working as a professional, I feel fortunate enough to have got a high level of professional education and learning from my institution, Geeta Ratan International Business School. The case studies which were discussed during my student days are really proving to be boosters and enablers for me. I'm really very happy to have been a part of this institution that nurtures talent in a very great way. Thank you.
They created the best educational experience for me instead of building a curriculum around me. At GIBS, I learned to think deeply, strive valiantly, and move confidently towards solutions. Thank you.
GIBS has a healthy blend of academicians, policymakers, administrators, and managers to deliver the knowledge, skills, and realities of the corporate world. They work at the forefront of global business research, spreading our intellectual capital around the world. Not only do faculty members encourage and motivate students in the classroom, but they also engage students as partners in research projects, providing opportunities for scholastic growth. Additionally, students accompany faculty to conferences where they are often given the opportunity to serve as presenters or speakers. Also, being leaders in their academic fields, many of our faculty also have hands-on business experience as consultants, entrepreneurs, advisors, board members, and executives. We are proud of our ability to attract people of the highest caliber. Corporates are looking for a talented pool of students who can prove as an asset in world of highly competitive environment. We at GIBS aim high to lead high. GIBS is an ocean of such human resource where you can tap the right potential at the right time. So, join the journey.
The quality of strength lined with tenderness is an unbeatable combination, as are intelligence and necessity when blended by formal education. We bestow this at Geeta Ratan International Business School.